Hi, welcome guys. Welcome back. And this week I'll be dropping our weekly analysis to keep us updated on what we should expect and what we should look out for in the market. Last week was awesome. I hope you had a good trading week and a good trading experience. If not, this week probably might be a good trading week for you and for us. All right, so I'll start with the V100. And like I said in my previous video, that I'm looking at more for a sell and not for a buy, because the general trend of the market is a sell, but there was a buy that happened. And since the general market is a sell, they are going to move along with the main trend. Now, I'll be quick about this video. Now, look at our chart from the 4 hours time frame. You can see there's a bearish move already in progress. But like I said, for me to take this sell, I'm looking for a sell case scenario in this market. We should expect a breakout, just like the way there's a breakout from here and a retest. So I'm expecting a breakout, a full breakout, probably mostly from the higher time frame, like the 4 hours or the 2 hours or the 1 hour too, a full breakout and a retest before I can go in for a sell in this trade. And remember, like I always say, that you should take note of your moving average. You should take note of your moving average. When price gets here, then there's tendency for it to have a rejection before there will not be the major sell. And looking at this, there's something I will still teach you guys about, or tell you guys about what they call a fake breakout or a fake out as we proceed. All right, so I believe that when price gets to this moving average level, there will be a rejection then before it moves down finally for a sell. So for the V100, it is more logical to look for a sell, because with what the chart is giving us, we trade with what the chart is giving us and not what we want to trade. Yeah, from the 1 hour time frame, we can see that there is already a bearish move already. This is the 1 hour time frame. You can see there's already a bearish move. So we should just look out for what a sell opportunity in the V100 index. Now, V100 is not too volatile. Know how to fix your trading capital, which is very, very important. All right, so let's move to the V50. Yeah, wow. The V50 from the 24 hours, we can see, let me delete this. In 24 hours, we can see that there was a sell that happened. And okay, from here, because here has already played out already. There was a sell that happened all the way here. I was thinking price will get down to the bottom of this resistance level, but the buyers came in and pushed price all the way up. And this is a minor resistance, and I don't really like trading minor resistance because they are easily broken. All support and resistance can easily be broken. Now we'll see a breakout from this resistance level. Now I'll talk more about how to get your area of value. Now you can see that this is a very good area of value because we've seen price rejection here, here, here. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. So this is a very good area of value. You can see, yes, price has respected this area of value, and it is a very strong one. Now, with what we can see, let's go to 4 hours. You can see that price is already coming to retest. There's already a breakout and it's coming to retest this our area of value. Now, is it likely that the buy will continue? Because generally the V50 index is a bearish market, a bullish market, sorry, it's a bullish market. If you can see all the way from here, it has been bullish, right? So, and this is the all-time high here. So what you should likely expect is to look for a bullish case scenario for me, although I'm not really looking for a trade in the V50 index, but you can look more. I think it's better you look more for a bullish case scenario. But like I said, we need to, be on both sides, both on the sell and on the buy. Now, if I'm to go for a buy in this trade, because likely we can see that it is a bullish market. This is a low, under low. We're expecting price to either get to this level, and we have the bulls coming in to push price all the way up to this level. So this will be our next area of target here. But here should be, first of all, as a take profit before here being the second take profit. And stop loss should be likely be below this um support level, because this is going to be a support level. Now, right now, we can expect either a fake out, we can expect price to still break through this support, then turn to resistance and price sell down, or price continues what the current trend, which is the buy. Can likely as well still draw a trend line like this. A trend line must be touching 2 points, right? Must touch 2 points. You can as well draw a trend line like this. It's giving us what? A sell. So price may likely bounce here and continue the buy, or this support just hold this, and there's a bullish engulfing candle, then we can go in for a buy. That is what I'm actually looking out for in the V50 index. And let's move to our next trade, which is the V10. Yes, the V10. I actually took this trade, and I don't know why I forgot to set my break even. I actually took this trade. I took a sell from here. Now, what happened here is a fake out. Well, but for now, some people might not really understand. I still say that I'll still have a class, or I'll have a video clip for that. Now, what happened here was a fake out. I knew that price was definitely going to sell. So I took a sell here. My MetaTrader 5 is not open. I would have showed you. So I took a sell here, right all the way here. Now, you see why I said the moving average is very, very important, because somebody a trader might have likely put a TP here because of this double bottom. So a trader might have likely put a TP here, but you see that right here is a moving average here, and it's sent price back up. There was a rejection from this point. Now, this is why I don't joke with my moving average. It's very, very important, and you should take note of this. Take note of this. This alone can help you save a lot of losses, trade that you should be losing. Now, because of this, we have to adjust this trend line to this point, and yes, adjust the trend line to this point. Now we can clearly see that the buy still continues. This is 2 hours time frame. Let's still move to the 1 hour time frame. It's clearly giving us that what the buy continues. Now, this buy might actually be a swing buy, because if we check from the 24 hours, you can see that price has actually sold for a long time. So there's a very good tendency that this is going to be a swing buy. Now, remember that I told you that whenever market gets to a support, a moving average, you will definitely see a rejection. Now, you see how it's played out here exactly. Price kept on buying until it got to this moving average, and it looks as if it even broke through it. But I knew definitely that there's going to be a rejection, and that was the rejection that happened here. This was the rejection that happened that pushed price all the way down. Now, for this to happen, it means that price has recognized that there is resistance zone there, right? There's a resistance zone there. So we are going to move this trend line up here. Now, what are we going to expect? I'm looking out for a buy in this trade. I'm looking out for a buy in this trade, and for a long-term buy, because having a swing trade is very, very good. And I'm looking forward to having a swing trade. So for the V10, I think what we should probably have in mind is for a buy, because we can see that even from the 8 hours level, we can see that price has been making a bullish move. So I think it's more better you put your eye on a bullish case scenario. For me, I'll be trading this V10 for a bullish case scenario, and that is when there's a breakout from this trend line and a retest. Now, if there's a breakout from this trend line and a retest, price is not the price is letting you know that there is going to be a swing buy. I'm telling you guys, there is going to be a swing buy in the V10. Take note of this, because when it plays out, I'll still refer back to this video. All right, so let's move to the V51S. The 51S, I missed this trade. Unfortunately, I missed this trade, and I was so pained. The 51S is a bearish move from the higher time frame, from 24 hours time frame. Is a bearish move. And from the 8 hours time frame, like I said in my previous video, that I'll be looking out more for a sell. There's never need of looking for a buy in this trade. I'm looking out more for a sell in this trade. Now, looking at it from the 4 hours, like I've always said, there is a moving average here, and it kept on, we kept on having what price rejection. Let me move to the 1 hour time frame. We kept on having what price rejection. Now, I wanted to take this trade, but what I was thinking was maybe price will still get to this level before selling. When I discovered that the market was ranging, I said, okay, let me hold on. When there's a break from this, when there's a break from this minor support, which is now turned a resistance, I will take the sell. But I actually missed the trade. I didn't know when this happened. I missed the trade. Now, for the 51 is, you should look more for a sell. Now, we can see it is either market is either going to retest here before having a sell. It's either market is going to retest here before having a sell, or it is still likely to, get to this moving average. But this is our 15 minutes time frame. I prefer checking it from the 1 hour time frame. So there's a good tendency that either price is still, oh shit, man, sorry. So there's a good tendency that either price is still coming back to this level to retest for a double retest, and there will be a massive sell to the downside. But it is more reasonable and logical to look for a sell in the V51S. And remember, V51S is a very volatile market, so know how to use your lot sizes. The V101S, yes, V101S has been on a bearish move since early this year. Has been on a bearish move since early this year, and I think there's a tendency of we having a bullish move also, because right at this point you can see this, our area of value, there's a double bottom formation from here to here, and it's sending price back up. Now, for the V101S also, you might likely get a good swing for a buy, a good swing buy. But what I'm looking out for a buy. I'm currently looking out for a buy, because this is a very good area of this is a very good area of value. It's a very good area of value, because we can see that there's a rejection from here and some price all the way down. I think I took a sell from this trade. That was 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yes, 2 or 3 weeks ago. Now we see the price that are actually broken out from this zone. I'm probably expecting a proper retest before we go in for a buy. Expecting a proper retest before we go in for a buy. Now, this is what I'll watch out for. When price comes to this level and fails to break through, and if I see a bullish engulfing candle, then I think I'll really go in for this trade. Now, when it comes to Forex, you don't always wait for a perfect market, because sometimes when you wait for a perfect market, you will not see. Some people are always waiting for a perfect market. It is also wise, because I miss most of this trade. My week was so busy and I couldn't trade much last week except the V10 index that I took. Now you can see that from here, there's the breakout and retest strategy, which I will still talk about, but not now. I'll still drop that in my free trading tips. So I'll still make some videos on free trading trips where other people can also learn from. Now, this is a good breakout and retest. Now, if I'd seen this on time, I'd have taken a buy from this point. Now, this is a very, very good trade. This is a very, very good trade, because if you check we check from here down here, this is about 72 pips. It's good. VTEN 1S is also a volatile index. It's very, very good. I tell you, very, very, very good. Very, very good. So for the VTEN 1S, we should look out more for a buy. For me, should look out more for a buy because I believe there is already a change in the trend. There's already a change in the trend. Let's move down to the 25 index. I miss 25 index 1S. I love this trade. So I love this index so much. A very, very volatile index. After all this thing that it has done here. Okay, now for the 25 1X, we are looking at this point now. We're looking at this point. Price has been on a full bearish move. So we are looking at this point. If this level is a very, very significant level, you can see multiple rejections here. So if I get to this level, we should expect either a range or a little consolidation, or we can expect the buyers to come in and push the price back up before we have a sell. Or if the selling pressure is much, we can have a break from it and a retest. Now, I love this kind of trade because this kind of trade gives you that the market is in for a sell because there's already a breakout from this zone and a retest. You can say our moving average serves as a resistance. This is a very, very good, very, very good trade. Very, very good trade. I was actually waiting for the 25 index for a long time. At the point, I had to stop analyzing it, but until I just checked it out recently and I saw that, oh, this zone has been broken. I was waiting for this zone to be broken since. Now the zone has been broken, and you can see that we are in for a sell. So what I'm expecting in this V25 1X is for price to get to this level. For price to get to this level. Let price get to this level. This is a very, very significant level. Let price get to this level and we wait for a consolidation either to the downside or to the upside. But for me, I'm looking out more for a sell opportunity in the trade because it's very, very good you follow what's the current trend of the market. I think this is okay. V25 index. V25 index, there's nothing much in this index. There's nothing much. We can see that there is a trend currently on. This is a buy, but let's go to the 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, we can see, okay, now price has broken through this level, right? There's a breakout, but it's more advisable because this is a very good this is a very good zone. This is a very, very good zone. But I believe that the sell is still going to continue. The sell is still going to continue. Looking at this, look at my trend line. Look at this point here. So I should look more because price has already broken out from this channel. And since price has broken out from this channel, we should look more at, we should target the bottom of this channel. Yes, this is what is likely going to happen. This is likely what is going to happen. We should look more at the bottom of this channel. Now, maybe I believe price is going for maybe a little bit to continue, but definitely we are going to have a sell down to the bottom of the channel. Now, what I'm looking out for is to take a sell. If price should get to this level, I can take a sell, put the stop loss here, then my TP will be according to where I'm satisfied with the trade. Here might be my first TP. This point might be my first TP. Then second TP might be here. Second TP will likely be here. Yeah, first TP, second TP. You can see that there's already a break. There's already a retest already. And this that just happened is just probably a little buy because market is in for a sell. Market is in for a sell. So guys, I would love you guys to also drop your thoughts and your feedback. 75 1S, 75 1S, 75 1S. Looking at the chart from the 4 hours time frame, I did the video of this. Let me delete this. I did a video of this on how to trade with the trend. And you can see that we are having what a bearish move. Like I've always said, your moving average is very, very important. You see that even before price even got to this moving average, there's already a sign of rejection. As you can see. So it gives you a point that if you are selling from this point, you might as well put your take profit either at this moving average or very close to the moving average, because the moving average is so powerful. It is one of the indicators that is very, very important. It's a vital trading tool for me as a trader. I don't joke with my moving average. And now you can see there's a strong price rejection and price sold all the way to this point. This is definitely a good pips. This is definitely a good pips. 302. This is very, very nice. If you're using a very good lot size, even with this as your stop loss, you're having a very, very good risk to reward. Having a very, very good risk to reward. So that is it for the VCN 5 index. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And I'd love to get your feedback and any of the index you want me to analyze. All right. Have a good trading week and a good profitable week. Thank you. Thank you.